night your parents came in the cul-de-sac. Leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your powder bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me. She said she liked me.
Right if I wake up the same each morning.
seem to say, look at us, we're evergreen. It doesn't matter if you think we're blue or orange. Guess I've got it made. Every day looks the same. When I saw a butterfly go by before. Take the dog for a walk and wait on my extra socks. Maybe when I wake again it might be. I'll take the blame, watch the windows move with rain until the city is a brilliant on my table. The weather's good, we're kissing frogs, looking for love, but I can't help. Maybe the kind I really want, not such a thing. I may be wrong half the time, but what seems to be right about it. We ran through the woods, nothing could hurt us except for ourselves, stuck in childhood. Every day there were new sights and smells as the sun was shining on our skin. Love with being alive, we'd been using all our time to play pretend. With just our minds and hearts combined, thoughts and all our love aligned, and we never feel alone again. As the sun would set, we'd run home and laugh at the fun that we had. Stay in our bed, saying goodnight and hugging our dad. As the sun was setting on our skin, in love with being alive, we'd been using all our time to play pretend. With just our minds and hearts combined, thoughts and all our love aligned, and we never feel alone.